Today we read 2 Chronicles 27 and Isaiah 9 through 12. We're on day 194 of the Bible recap or heart dive. Weren't you so excited reading this today? Tiny little nuggets of the rescue and redemption to come. I know the people in Isaiah's time literally had no idea what was coming. And honestly, how could they even imagine such a wild thing? But since we get the privilege of knowing what this refers to, it's pretty exciting. Jesus is coming. In the spirit of Jesus coming, would you join me in responding with the song, Come Thou Long Expected Jesus?
Come thou long expected Jesus, born to set thy people free. From our fears and sins release us, let us find our rest in thee. Israel's strength and consolation, hope of all the earth thou art, dear desire of every nation, joy of every longing heart. Come to earth to taste our sadness, he whose glory's knew no end. By his life he brings us gladness, our Redeemer, shepherd friend, leaving riches without number, born within a cattle stall. This the everlasting wonder, Christ was born, the Lord of all. Born thy people to deliver, born a child and yet a king, born to reign in us forever. Now thy gracious kingdom bring, by thine own eternal Spirit, rule in all our hearts alone. By thine own sufficient merit, raise us to thy glorious throne.
He is the joy of every longing heart. Come, Jesus, come. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.